Hello friends. Today we are repairing the lighting of the mirror in the bathroom. There is something wrong with the power supply. It makes strange grinding sounds. I suspect that over time there was a bad soldering. Let's remove the power supply in order to disassemble it in a convenient place for us. Here we have a power supply from 220 volts to 12 volts AC. Power 60 watts. This unit reduces voltage to 12 volts AC. Let's unscrew 2 screws and disassemble the case to see what we have inside. Yes, friends, I have already seen the reason. In fact, there is nothing serious here. It is just that over time, ring cracks have formed. Now I will show them to you under a microscope. As we can see, ring cracks have formed on all 4 contacts. So we need to solder all 4 contacts and everything should work. Well, friends, let's try. As you can see, the problem is solved, everything works as it should. This breakdown happened at my home, so I solved this problem too. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe to the channel, and for those who want to support the channel, the donation link is under the video.